It's time for Linda to buy a new ultra-low freezer for her lab. However, Linda isn't going to buy just any freezer. The freezer in Linda's lab houses precious biological samples from years of research, and she wants to make sure they'll be safe and secure in their new home for years to come. Linda wants to purchase her freezer from a manufacturer with a proven track record of optimal freezer performance. Linda will speak with maintenance staff in her facility to see which freezers they are fixing most often so she can avoid those brands. She'll also consult with her fellow lab managers to find out which freezer brands they have had issues with and which have worked well for their labs. Linda also needs a freezer that will maintain a consistent internal temperature, especially when summer brownouts cause the voltage to the freezer to fluctuate. This will help ensure the viability of her stored samples. Linda will ask the manufacturers to give her test results from independent third-party testing companies. Information provided to Energy Star, for example, is highly credible. Then she can make an evidence-based decision when choosing her new freezer. Linda's lab members are constantly going in and out of their ultra-low freezer to pull out or replace their samples for experiments. This can increase the inside temperature. Linda needs to make sure she purchases a freezer with ample refrigeration power to recover quickly to set point temperature following door openings. While it would be nice for Linda to save money on her lab's operating costs, Linda is not willing to sacrifice reliability or recovery for energy efficiency. She knows she'll be frustrated if her freezer isn't powerful enough to meet her lab's needs. When looking at options for energy efficiency, Linda will rely on assessments by third-party organizations like Energy Star to make sure the freezer performs as advertised. Products with these certifications contribute significantly to energy savings nationwide while maintaining the quality expected by consumers. Even with a reliable freezer, Linda wants to make sure she has a backup plan in case of unexpected scenarios. Linda also wants to be alerted to any changes in freezer performance, whether she's at home or at the lab. Using a cloud-based monitoring system will allow Linda to check the status of her freezer on her phone, tablet, or computer anywhere, anytime. This additional service will allow Linda to make sure her lab samples are safe, even when she's not in the lab. With all the new options available, Linda is sure to find an ultra-low freezer that exactly fits the needs of her lab. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business. For more information, contact our friends at PHC Corporation of North America, providing PHCBI brand ultra-low temperature freezers.